So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make a designer level UI, and that too with in 2 clicks and in free. So this is stitched from Google. Previously, it is used to be called as Galileo AI. Google acquired it and actually make it much better. The only purpose of it is it actually makes insanely good UI, and you can actually download it, connect your GitHub, and do all sorts of things with it. Right. So the first thing that we do is we actually need to have like a very good PRD. So go to ChatGPT and actually get a proper PRD. The easiest way to do it is go to ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, and you start from like a PRD, because there are a lot of people who already made how to do a PRD in ChatGPT, right? There are a lot of GPTs that you can explore, and from that you can take it there. Okay, lovable PRD generator. Just click on it. Now, what you need to do is like, I will share the link of it in the description below as well. So what you need to do is you need to make sure all the things are working on it. So give it all you need. I actually use like a voice prompt. It's called as Paraspeech, and you can directly talk with the computer, happening all those things. So the first thing I ask is, hey, create PRD for an app. It should be dating. Founders to discover interest and create startups. It is for the age of 18 to 30, super high energy, right? Is giving a normal PRD, and it should be able to generate a good one in general. So it's giving like an entire master plan, problem, mission, core, all those things. Build chemistry, launch board, startup Zodiac. It's giving like all these things, but just V1, V2, right? Just take this master plan. You don't need the implementation plan in .md right now. Just copy this, go to Stitch. I'm doing like an app design, right? Just ACAM UI design for this. And yeah, just click on it. What you'll get is it's a very good option. It directly creates the app screen. Here on Stitch, you can either create, so it's created like 6 different screens: introduce themselves, find a profile, swipe sections, chat and make, or launch overview. I'm saying 3x the design, make them all. So what 3x the design does is it gives like 3 different options for the one screen, and you can talk to those screens directly. So it takes like around half a minute of time to actually make it happen. Go to hand when you're typing stuff up. So you can see that, all the co-founder, I really like this vibe, right? Then you have your big idea, or the image, the chemistry, then the growth hacker, how it should be done. Then you have the connections like the Sika markers, right? Then you have project dashboard. So you have AI powered CRM validating the idea, the momentum, then voice intro, my pitch, creativity, all those things. It's insanely good, guys. For example, let's say if you want to change something, just click on the 3x or not, right? Go on hand, click on it. Once you click on it, you can regenerate, redown, or download the entire code of this. For example, if I want to regenerate it, click regenerate, it will be popping up here. So it's similar to like how Laravel does, but in a much better way for the UI part of it. You click here in such a way and say that regenerate the screen similar to the style, something like that, right? So you can just give it ideas and it kind of pops up in a much better and efficient way. So it takes 10 to 20 seconds and kind of remake all that stuff. So welcome to the co-founder. It kind of made it like a Duolingo style, right? So welcome to co-founder, ready to get launched, right? So now you can ask like, hey, can you make entire onboarding like Duolingo? So Duolingo is the most converting one, I kind of know. Then you can see founder connect with founder gonna get started. I already have an account. It kind of makes the entire sequence on the apps you already know. So the conversion rates can be much higher. Get the code of it and directly run. And yeah, you can also change small things that you actually need, right? So right on here, it's kind of making the entire thing, entire onboarding, I guess. So you just want something, just click on it, just download the code. It will directly download your file. So you click on it, it's kind of like a zip file. You can download all of the things needed. So you can connect this, you can open it up. Then you get like two things. First one is a code, the HTML code, and second one is a screenshot of it. So this is the screenshot of the app that you have already made. And this is the code. So it's the HTML code that you have that can be running. You can even interact with it, right? So what you can do is like combine all of them at a single place, and yeah, ta-da, it should be working. So this is the first screen. Welcome to co-founder. What's your first idea? What's your first big idea? So you can generate all of that stuff on the thing, have like a streak and all that stuff. And you can ask it to make like multiple things, right? For example, here, let's see like all of the sequence. We can edit any of these things, right? And create multiple options. You can create like multiple options for this. So let's say I just wanna adjust the theme. So you have everything here needed. For example, I just wanted like a black and white kind of theme, or maybe no. Where is it? Discord. I just want to change the font. And go, go, the guy. Yeah, I just wanted to have like this color. Maybe why not? Just apply the theme. It will automatically generate it and do it for me. See here? It's trying to change it here in general. So you can customize the theme. You have like free credits for a month to actually do it. You can literally create like a new account, generate more number of screens. You can give your dev team an info how it can work, or you can show your prospect. This is the white pad and UI. See, completely change it how it kind of works, right? Let's say I want to create like multiple options, aspects, whichever you want, generate variations. I'm not typing anything. This kind of generates all the different variations here. I need to get like a better chip on my Mac. So whatever the new generations comes in, it kind of comes in here. See, you have 3 different generations coming in. So this is the 1, 2, 3. And you can also rearrange it like however you want it, like in same concept as that. So you can get bigger, smaller, and it auto adjusts as well. See this, it's insanely amazing. So what are the screen that you're going to, the code is automatically adjusted to what are the screen that you are trying to put it in. So these are the standard ones, screens. And if so you can also, yeah, this is the next feature that I'm super interested in. Here you go. We asked it for it like 3 options. So it got us one new option, for example, chemistry level, right? And the other one is collaboration path, the launch pad. So you can select whichever option that you like, you dislike. For example, I didn't like this, dislike this. UI component, I didn't like it. Let's send feedback. Yeah. Now imagine that you want to change the text here of the launch pad to like something like a founder pad, right?
So what I do is I just click on edit, adjust theme, right? Then it kind of have like a chat option. So make this on the back. That's it. It's one of the suggestions that we have. Then you have what is biggest strengths and weaknesses. Then you have like I want to change the messages to maybe something like chat, right? So I have like two of the things. I just click on apply
and it automatically edits these things. So you have control of all the aspects of UI.
So you can edit things, you can maintain things, you can do all of these things within a single app, and you can have everything kind of sorted out.
So this is like insanely good for any kind of generations that you have. All the things are needed and you can download all of these things.
Right. And yeah, it will be done in a couple of seconds. Yeah. Now we've got a new one. All the changes that we asked are kind of implemented. See here, we asked it to change it to founder badge. It's done. We asked it to change it to chat. It's done. Like now you just need to select the screens of things. For example, just press the command key. If you're in Mac, if you're in Windows, press Control and select all of them. And you can align. And I selected all of them, right? I just align on top. So it automatically aligned. I can align on bottom, sides, whatever the way that I want. So front, see. And you automatically get all the things you kind of need.
So this is where you can actually create the entire UI for free for your startup, for your agency, for your clients, for your dev team to understand your entire vision. If you're a founder, you can use it to actually show, hey, this is exactly the vision that I have. And getting this thing into Lovable or Claude Code, that's actually the best option, and kind of creating from there, creating the database and all that stuff. But this is kind of, if you want to make apps, if you want to make websites, what are the things that you want, you can make with this. And if you want our help in actually making this, we actually have a community down here which discusses everything from N8N, Lovable, and all these things in making your automations and things work. And it's completely free. You can join it right now. I'll see you soon, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for the entire thing. See ya.